Did you know Live Transcribe can also identify sounds that are not speech? It can display labels such as bird sound, laughing, music, and more while you are using Live Transcribe. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Now tap Open Live Transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left. Tap Additional Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under the Event section, find Show Sound Labels, then turn it on. With this option on, as Live Transcribe listen, you will see sound labels appear at the top left of the screen when it detects certain sound. For example, it can show labels such as bird sound, laughing, music, and more. And that's how to show sound labels in Live Transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.